Meaning of fleur-de-lis.
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 Fleur-de-lis. Fleur-de-lis is a symbol that originated in France and is commonly associated with the French monarchy. The term fleur-de-lis literally means flower of the lily in French, and the symbol itself is stylized to resemble a lily or iris flower. It has been used in various contexts throughout history, including on coats of arms, flags, and other forms of heraldry. Today, the fleur-de-lis is often used as a decorative element in art and design, and it remains an enduring symbol of French culture and heritage.